Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency is undoubtedly a force of reckon with these days. There's no doubt many people are venturing onto a space learning about the exploring various projects and what they could offer. There are a couple of place crypto enthusiasts which lowers the timely and relevant information in the cryptocurrency where it happens. Twitter Tweet is one great place to be as a website that fit the informing and education crypto enthusiasts. However, there's one more that many crypto enthusiasts flock to get the much needed knowledge. Instagram, the Facebook out social media network is used by millions of people with many crypto talk leaders and pioneers having a space where they impart knowledge to avid learners. These talk leaders also help search market inside the perspective to a global audience, helping investors and those who are planning on joining the crypto industry stay on top of all things crypto. So in this place, you'll get to know some of best Instagram accounts you should follow to get relevant and up-to-date information about the crypto space. Here we go. Crypto user, the are passionate about crypto analysis are the signal flock to Crypto House on Instagram to learn on about it. It's his pretty big community of over 100 followers. The Instagram account shares information and insight on trading signals and profitable steps and analysis. It is one of the best Instagram accounts to follow if you want to get high quality technical and fundamental data to improve your overall market analysis capabilities. You will also find interesting information on BTC and altcoin trading on this account. Crypto Tradings is one of the most visited Instagram pages by crypto enthusiasts worldwide that are known for providing the latest news. Thread authors the NFTs all is the one place. Of course, that's not all. The Instagram account also provides its followers with relevant information about top coins in 2022, top project and additional trends in crypto world among others. Currently, the account has more than 200k followers for community members. Why do not like tips, tricks, and strategies to navigate the crypto space? Cryptonary boasting 500k followers. Cryptonary is a growing Instagram page articling the mass of awareness in the crypto world. The Instagram account is cryptocurrency community that talks about crypto, DeFi, and metaverse. It posts news and infographics related to date crypto market and shows founding a platform compares with other communities and sometimes even memes. The account is highly useful source of information for our crypto passionate people, science in providence and detailed analysis of popular coins. The information caught by hit makes perfect to newbies and section traders. The Cryptograph is an Instagram account that highly recommended by new interest and intermediate people in crypto world. It provided a simple of straightforward explanation of important events within the crypto market. This account currently has about 100k followers and its information mainly revolves around Bitcoin and alternative coins. So if you want better your crypto trading capabilities on exchange your crypto trading strategies, the Cryptograph is definitely the right account to follow. Share Crypto, arguably one of the most best channels for crypto on Instagram. Share Crypto shares interesting and current events before they even go mainstream. Mints of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and mining, among others, are the stories that channel informs you about. New, unlike most other crypto accounts that avoid any sort of rumor speculation in the crypto space, Share Crypto digits it upon without mincing words. The account is among its the new channels that would even report minor the stories like central bank digital currencies (CBDCs). If you want to basically everything happening in the crypto world, you should follow this account. Cointelegraph, satisfying itself in the crypto world, Cointelegraph Instagram has grown large with blockchain news as a considered one of the most informative voices in the crypto space. Except the primary platform is their website. They know the news everyone wants to consume their cryptos news on the news site. That's why the people follow them on Instagram. It is easy for the over 300k followers to know exactly what's happening on the crypto scenes anytime, everywhere. Once they open their Instagram account, CoinDesk ranks on the one of the leading crypto and blockchain technology website with more than 10 million monthly unique visitors. On the other hand, in the Instagram page, CoinDesk features a virtual resource of the both novice and pros. Other than news, it also offers podcasts and listen that serves a great introduce the topics to the crypto enthusiasts such as Bitcoin, blockchains, Ethereum, and crypto trading. The Instagram also covers technical analysis news and general updates on Bitcoin mining. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.